Hey guys, we're going to the Bayfield Apple Fest today. Say hi, Claire. Hello! Oh my god.
I'm trying to think of other little snippets of yesterday. Or last night. Or like a couple hours ago.
Made it to Bayfield. Yo, we just discovered something.
What is it?
This is what these are actually for. Did anyone ever know that?
Really?
This is what these are for.
Shut up.
I'm shocked.
That's amazing. I did not know that actually. Cheers!
I got no dime, I gotta give me my Grammy. Give me the jewels, I don't wanna sign, I wanna get it myself. She want a necklace, that's Versace, but I
Dip that in that sweet chili. It's very crunchy, very great. The batter is so light and crisp.
I wanna be up another, no deep in the jungle, I'm leaving the ghetto. That's what I promised my mama, that's not for the comments, it's just cause I love her. I keep my love undercover, enough is enough, but I honestly want this. All that we gotta be, all that we want it.
Fest 2019, we made it. Whoop! Whoop! It's done.
Ready to go?
Maybe we can so fast.
Oh my god, play it.
Whatever.
Cause I'm riding on chrome. Whenever I fall, I like to
Okay, guys. You know, I usually don't care what I look like, but this morning we're using a filter. This is really how I feel. Okay, so I had about 1 million people ask me to vlog about moving and unpacking and decorating my new house. So this is the first vlog. We just moved most of my stuff yesterday. There's still a bunch of like little things that I have to move yet. And absolutely nothing's unpacked because I spent the whole day until like 10 o'clock moving. So actually I didn't get home until like 11. So yeah, I'm exhausted and here it is. So this is gonna be our little entryway. So I'm gonna have to get some type of like shelving to put like our jackets and shoes and stuff. This is all we got right now. But here's cat and dog. They love the new house. There's stuff absolutely everywhere. I don't have the internet hooked up, nothing. I do have a gas fireplace, but yeah, there's the internet. So everything is just a wreck. This is the living room. TV's on the couch. Dining room. Kitchen. I did start to put away like a couple of little bags of stuff in the kitchen, but that is it. And then I've got a basement with a sauna and a second bathroom. There's not really anything down here. I did pay Lawyer Cleaning to clean it, and I would recommend them. So I'm going to throw their website on this post because they did such a good job. So this is the sauna. Yay. And then this is the second bathroom over here. Here's the bathroom. Nothing unpacked yet. This is going to be Kaiden's room. And my room. My room is like the most organized, but I haven't put away anything yet. So. Closet's just a mess. And none of this is organized at all. So this is before. Can't wait to show you guys after. Okay guys, so it is day 6 in our new house. Today we found a super cool table on Craigslist and went and picked it up. So this is it. So it's an engineer's table. It's steel, so it's pretty heavy. and it's an antique, so it's all worn, but I think it's pretty cool, and I love the way it looks in here with this lighting. And then we also got these chairs, which we're gonna reupholster and possibly paint. I think that they'll match better if we paint them white, but the wood is actually such nice heavy wood that I don't even know if I want to paint them, but maybe just so they match a little better. But anyway, super happy about that. The chairs were an awesome deal. I got 6 of them for $85. They're like legitimate, like heavy old strong wood. So yeah, day 6, a little messy. We're getting ready for Kaiden's birthday party. And Willow's home. Yeah, we love our new house. Okay, we got more stuff hung up today, including the TV. Still on day 6. Got our table together. Yay! Hariku's in the kitchen now. We're gonna move this after Kaiden's birthday party. Day 6 progress. Hi guys, so today is Thursday and we are setting up for Kaiden's birthday party tomorrow. Yay! So I got a bunch of little cute plates of vegetables and fruit and whatnot ready. And then we decorate it a little bit. We're gonna paint pumpkins. Yay! What are we doing?
We're waiting for my friends
You're waiting for your friends for what? What are they coming for?
for my birthday.
For your birthday?
Yeah.
Happy birthday! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, I love you.
It's
Oh, how old are you gonna be?
4.
4? Let me see. How many fingers? Wow, you're so smart. You're gonna be 4. You're so big. Pumpkin painting! Yay!
I'm painting my painting, Mom.
Yeah?
You're gonna be scared.
I love it. That's so nice.
Yeah, I'm painting black.
Yeah, guys. I just got a package in the mail. Yes. It is my SFX stuff. This is a demon nose. A forehead. These are like foam latex, so I don't know. I'd like to be able to make an imprint of these so that I can make them again with my own latex, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that. Oh my god. They're gross for that one. I did not order this little beetle roach, but it did scare me. Where did that just fall from? Creepy. They got me. Cute. They gave me a little paper, like a little, oh, that's so cute. Look at that, you guys. Mostly dead. Okay, I'm gonna have to recommend them because this is so cute. Okay, and so I got this little kit. It includes all of the items needed to attach, remove, and color the foam latex pieces, because if you use the wrong kind of paint, it'll break down the latex. So yeah, I got this little kit. Yay! And then this, I can't wait to open these, you guys, is a disgusting pair of teeth. Dental distortions. Yes. Yuck. Those are ratchet. I can't wait to be disgusting. Yes. She's a freak, y'all. She really freaky. Hold on, hold on. There. Oh, that is gross. I can't wait to wear those. I'm gonna freak you guys all out. Can't wait. Yeah. So yeah, this is from the company called Mostly Dead, and shout out. You guys are awesome. The packaging in here is great. I love that they just gave me Post-it notes. Thank you. I actually need those. Yes. Love you guys. Good morning, guys. Excuse the bags under my eyes. I did just wake up. I've been in the house, my new house, for like 19 days now, and I've been working like every single day. And I'm mostly moved out of my old house, but in moving here so quickly, I didn't actually like organize a lot of my stuff. Like, I did put away like my kitchen and stuff normally. My living room is pretty much done and even decorated. But my bedroom, my clothes are still 100% unorganized. So yeah, it's kind of embarrassing how messy my room is right now. But I finally have a day off-ish. So I'm going to start organizing. So yeah, I'm just going to leave this filming for you guys and try to clean this place up.
You got the upper hand. I've been down on my luck. Yeah, I've had better days, but I've had steeper falls. There's a reason why people love an underdog. Battles on one, they just show who you are. And in the end, you know I'm okay mine. Maybe not today.
So that was my fall. I'm gonna update you guys on my house, what it's looking like. It is getting a lot more put together and more organized, so I'm feeling happier about that. I am just really lucky. Lots of good things have been happening lately and I have been blessed. Other than that, I'm going to Scotland in a couple days, so I will be vlogging the whole trip for you guys, so that'll be the next vlog. Also, I want to say I bought Russ's book. It's called It's All in Your Head. For those of you who don't know who Russ is, he is a rapper and he is really special in my opinion because he does all of his own music and producing. He never signed to a record label. Like, he's completely doing it on his own, which is just so rare these days. And everything that he would rap about I found very relatable. I've always kind of understood and known that manifestation is a real thing. I've had a lot of thoughts that I just really believed and they have all come true. But knowing that manifestation is real and believing in it entirely with your whole soul is different. So yeah, anyway, it's a great book, and I actually kind of started writing my own prior to reading his, and he was just relaying a lot of the same thoughts that I had been writing, and it just kind of confirmed for me that like, yeah, the things that I believe and the things that I'm saying are true, and I'm not the only crazy person that believes them, turns out. And it doesn't even matter. If you're the only person who believes in you, that's really all you need. You don't need affirmation from anybody else. You just need to fully and truly believe in yourself. So anyway, yeah, Russ's book is awesome. So is his music. I recommend it, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in Scotland. Bye. I have to cut out every part of my fucking vlog ever.
Has to be edited with Claire. I was a fucking butch when I was young. My favorite, what the
All the editing. All the editing.
Lauren looked so much younger. I looked like...